Hello everyone, my name is Vladimir Ventura. I'm currently an undergraduate computer science student and I really like to learn new stuff, so I decided to tackle on a project with the Unity engine, and this will be my whole entire journey with it. So think about it as in a devlog instead of a tutorial series. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy the whole entire journey as much as I will. So thanks for watching. So as of right now, I only have the idea of what I want to make with the Unity engine. I don't have anything like sprites, music, or any other kind of asset for that regard. However, in this devlog series, I'm looking forward to creating those assets from scratch with stuff like Aseprite, Boscaciol. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this whole entire journey because it'll teach me not only to use the Unity engine, but also how to use tools like the ones I just mentioned. The first thing that I'll probably look to do will be starting the Unity project. I will make sure that it has all the modules that I'll probably use, and because it's a mobile game that I'll target Android platform, I will have to make sure that SDK and NDK are here, and they are. So I think we're good to go. Close this, go to projects, and then start a new one. I'm thinking of a 2D game. I really have no name for the game. I'll just call it 4 elements. 4 elements. Alright, cool. So the very first thing that I'll probably do will go to File and Build Settings. I'll alter the Android build settings mostly because I don't want my game to go on landscape mode. I only want my game to run on portrait. So I'll go to Player Settings, Player, scroll down to Resolution and Presentation, and then uncheck Landscape right and left. I think I should probably switch platform. Let's create a prefab folder. Cool. I'll create more folders as I need it, but for right now I think these should work. Next step would be to create a player on Aseprite. I don't want the player to move itself. I just want the player to be a static cannon on the middle of the screen that shoots enemies on the sky. Sort of like an anti-air weaponry. That's the kind of idea that I have in mind. Let's throw this into Unity. Yeah, inside assets we can just do sprites. Now, I want to set up a game object that will be our player, our cannon. Let's make the scale 5:5. I think that's good enough. And let's drag it all the way to the bottom. Now the next step, I think it's to make a projectile. So yeah, let's go back to, I'll go back to Aseprite. And now a game object. I'll create prefabs off of this. First the cannon, then the cannonball. Because I want this to be a touch based game, I will probably have to check for the touch information. We'll get the information of the first touch, and then I'll check the face of it. And for shooting something, a projectile, I need the reference of that projectile. So I should probably set up a public variable so we can assign that variable to that to the projectile. Public. We can instantiate this projectile towards a trajectory. I'll first start with by getting the vector 3 representation of the touch. I'll keep a reference to this variable just so we can add force after we instantiate it. Shot 2 seconds. Alright. So this, we should be able to shoot. Wait a second. Oh my god, I know what happened. Yep. The prefab doesn't have the script. Oh my god, yep. I forgot the rigid body on the ball. Nice. You see how the ball, I mean the cannon ball comes from like inside the cannon. I want to make a point over here and then make it shoot from the mouth of the cannon. New. Okay, let's place it on the mouth of the cannon. I think it's fine. Like around here works. We instantiate on the, we make it from the spawn points, just from that position. Cool. Now, I want to tackle rotating the whole entire cannon towards where we're touching. Let's give it a try now. Oh god, it's looking pretty good. I think I should set up enemies, or at least an enemy. Let's throw this into Unity. Cool. So now we implemented an enemy, a static enemy at that, but there's still something to shoot at the screen. We can destroy it. We can shoot stuff, and we have a cannon on the screen. Now, I think that should be it for today. On the next video, I will probably introduce some more stuff. For example, I want to polish this. I want this blue look to go away. I want to do a background, a nice background for the screen. Yeah, probably like a grass field down here and like a blue sky with like clouds and stuff. I have no clue how I'll do it, but I'll figure something out. Right, I think that's it for today. That pretty much seals up the video for today. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah, hopefully you stay tuned in, because I have a lot of plans, a lot of ideas for this project, and I feel pretty excited for this whole entire journey.